Okay, students, we are starting now with surface. We do it now a different way. We are going to have tetramesh, and I think you are able to prepare the geometry like it was before. Okay, now we are going to generate a geometry, create a solid, track along vector. We use this surface, include z-axis, and put in a distance of 4000, and we make a track plus, and now we check the solid structure. It's fine. We're going to mesh it, so we are going to mesh, create tetramesh. We select the solid, and we should put the element size 68 in, and we are going to mesh. The 2D type is trias, and the 3D type tetras. The reason for that, I put no mesh on. You see the mesh is generated. Now we can put our boundary conditions a little bit different. I still also have the properties, everything still in. I assign this to the property. Okay, and one moment to see. Load steps, load collectors, make the constraint, make it current. Boundary condition, create constraint, and we put it now on a surface. And no, not this one. Unselect, and this one, and make create all boundary conditions. And in your look at very careful, you just see one of them. And now we are going return, and we want to put the load on. We make it current, and boundary condition, create pressure. Also put it on surface. Surface is shown, and our magnitude, we can have it put it nodes on face. One moment, I cannot read that. Load type pload 4 means like it distributes it to the neighbors. Okay, and here we can put it to the y-axis, and that's the reason we have to put a minus in, that the pressure goes down. We put on a grade, and now we are ready to go. Didn't want to do that, but I wanted to check still. So we check our component property, material, so everything is fine connected. We can go now to analysis, destruct, and we are going to save it first. File, save, model. Let's put it to my English folder, chapter 2, version 2. Okay, destruct. Okay, let's solve it. Now you see it's extending the load and the boundary conditions. We look at the results. So everything is fine. We check the movement. It's very hard to see, so we magnify it with a vector of 100. So you see it's going down. Very perfect, and we are coloring now with the element stress, apply, and it looks a little bit different, more or less the same. Okay, that's all for this part of the tutorial. It's a little bit more in the documentation. Have fun with it. Bye bye.